Here are 5 top protein foods for muscle growth. Please save this video on your phone in case you can't find it one. Eggs. Eggs are one of the richest protein foods in amino acids and are also rich in good cholesterol, vitamins, and minerals. 2. Salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have extremely positive effects on muscle growth and recovery. It is also a good source of high-quality protein and other important nutrients. 3. Chicken. Chicken is a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle growth. It is low in fat and full of valuable nutrients. 4. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a good source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals, plus they have a low glycemic index, giving you the energy you need while making you feel full. 5. Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and calcium, essential for muscle growth and bone health. It also contains probiotics, which are very good for digestion. Follow me to learn more about health.